Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mark Ghossein with the Matt Gibbs Group at Century 21, and today we got another spectacular listing for you. Today we're at 110 Walleye Private here in Half Moon Bay, Barrhaven, in a very family-friendly neighborhood where you're 5 minutes away from Costco, 5 minutes from the highway, and a 5-minute drive to the Barrhaven Marketplace, where you have access to all the major retailers. So my favorite part about this unit is the inside, though. So give me a second to take my boots off, and I'll give you guys a tour so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. All right, guys, welcome inside this modern 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo. So right when you enter the door, what you're gonna notice is you're gonna be greeted with this bright open space, and it's perfect for setting up your living room. And then with this option here, you have a couple different things you could do. You can either put your TV here, or you could put a home office, a nice little desk. You got 2 outlets there, so you got lots of electricity to plug in too. Now moving on to the kitchen. Check out this massive island here. You can put bar stools here so you can enjoy your breakfast. You got granite countertops, and I want you to focus on this beautiful backsplash that just makes the whole kitchen pop. Of course, moving on, you're gonna have to have your stainless steel appliances which complement the kitchen. And then if you wanna follow me this way, I'm gonna take you down the main hallway here where you're gonna have access to your main bathroom on the main floor. You're gonna have access to your 2 bedrooms, your laundry, and of course, we can't forget about this smart home thermostat. So why don't you guys go check that out? I'll meet you guys downstairs to show you my favorite part about this condo. See you in a bit. All right, guys, welcome to the second level of this beautiful condo here. So once you get down here, another thing you're gonna notice is a massive space that's ready for you to do whatever you really wanna do with it. Again, you have space here for easily an 80-inch TV on this wall. You got the opportunity to even put a projector if you want, another family room here. And then going on this way, you have your utility room in here, and then you have another beautiful 3-piece bathroom. In this bathroom, you're gonna see you have a stand-up shower, and you have a beautiful light fixture and a massive mirror. All right, guys, and now we're back into this open space here. And this area right here, you may be wondering what would go here. This is where the pool table goes, or this is where the ping pong table can go, or for you party animals, this is where the beer pong table goes. Now follow me as we enter the 3rd bedroom here on the 2nd level. And what you're gonna notice is, although we're on the lower level here, with windows this big and so much natural light coming in, you can't even tell. You feel like you're literally living on the main level here. So you got enough space for a bedroom here, you got your closet right there, and you know, it's another bedroom. Now, one thing to note about this condo is it's so big on both floors and it's so split evenly that you can easily have a roommate and each person can live their life without even getting in the other person's way. And you know, it's not like most condos where you feel crammed when you have a roommate. This literally feels like a townhome. And you know, you have low condo fees as well. My favorite time for my favorite room here. Why don't you follow me and I'll give you a show. Check out this open space here. Take a second to guess what would go here. You got it. This is where the gym goes, guys. You can easily put a squat rack at the end there, put some mirrors up here, and you know, put some dumbbells here, and this would be the perfect home gym. It's literally like a space made for it, if you ask me. So that's pretty much it, guys. That is 110 Walleye Private, our newest listing here at the Matt Gibbs Group. And if you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Give me a call, send me an email, and I look forward to booking a private showing to show you what this condo has to offer.